Hey, Patty G here. I want to make a quick improvement to the shop. It won't take long at all. I've got a few minutes and let's see if we can get it done. I don't have a door up yet. I want to hang a curtain between the area in there and this area. And this is the actual workshop. And that's my office. So I want to hang a curtain there until I can get time to get the actual door up to separate the two areas, keep light and dust and such from getting into that area, and smells and that kind of thing, which will eventually work their way up through the rest of the house. So that's my plan. Let's see what we can do. Okay, so here's the curtain pair. I'm going to take one of these. Are ancient, been around here for years and years and years, and I think it's just about the right width to go in that opening over there. So I bought a cheap collapsible telescoping spring-loaded type rod, and let's just see if we can get this thing going. Okay, it's a little too long, and I don't have a sewing machine or I could actually hem this. But I do have Stitch Witch. You know what Stitch Witch is? You gotta get you some of this. Need to find my mark. Which is right there. Okay, we got the length right. We just got to clean up that edge a little bit and we'll be done. This is called Stitch Witch. It's just a fibrous tape that when heated will bond material. When I say material, I don't mean materials in general, I mean cloth material. And once it does, if you follow the instructions, which is basically heat it until it sticks, once it makes this bond, It's really resilient. You can make all kinds of repairs on clothing with this, hemming pants, whatever you want to do. Which hemming your pants means to adjust the length on them, and make them shorter. They don't have any stretching tape. You can't make them longer, but you can make them shorter. And I learned all this because I was raised by my granny and great granny, both of whom were seamstresses. That's an easy one to say. I learned how to work on things by working on their sewing machines. And at one point they had quite a few around the house there. And so that's how I learned to work on things. And in return, I learned about Stitch Witch. Now, in their household, this was kind of persona non grata. If it was there, you had to hunt for it, because they were seamstresses. They make seams. They don't glue stuff together. So, but anyway, in a pinch or in a workshop, this stuff works great. Now, another tool you will need is your shop iron. This is one that I found in a junk box of stuff, so I confiscated it. I saved it. I reclaimed it. I gave it new life here in the workshop. Okay, that's a little overboard, but I was trying out my soliloquy. How'd that work? So basically what you do is you take this tape, you put it between the two layers of material that you want to bond together. And with this set pretty high, you just heat it up, and the tape will melt into the fibers of the fabric, and voila, your two pieces of material should stick. Now, let me say this. There are some types of material that this stuff will not work on. Those are usually fabrics with a slicker finish for whatever reason. I don't know one fabric from another. I don't guess. But I do know that if you use this on something with a really slick finish, like really nice dress pants, something like that, I've struggled with this in the past. The reason we were tossing this iron, you can see the deterioration of the finish here. That is not going to make any difference whatsoever in the workshop. Now, if you were doing something like this on an actual garment, you'd take and roll this edge over so that the frayed part wouldn't show when you rolled it back over, and iron this flat to stick the tape. In this case, I don't care. Okay, I'm just going to put some in between here and iron it out flat and see what happens. Mark my spot there. Alright, let's see if it sticks. Ooh, that's nice and warm in a 59-degree workshop. We are not sticking. It sucks. Hey, we stuck. Awesome. shop iron. Highly recommend it. A little ragged, but hey, you know. Okay. So here we are. Doesn't look too bad. Hey, that's it for another episode of Patty G DIY. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a little simple thing, but it needed done, and we got it done. So appreciate you guys coming along. Listen, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe these videos. I want to start working on building my channel, and when you do like, share, and subscribe, you help me accomplish that goal, and I appreciate it. As always, thanks for watching. God bless. We'll see you later.